In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Instagram post captions with Jasper AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank idea to polished, post-ready captions in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head to the Jasper app. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Home. This is your central hub where Jasper gathers shortcuts to common tasks and gives you quick access to powerful tools without hunting through menus. From the home screen, click Ask Jasper Anything. Think of this as your creative command center. It's a conversational box where you can describe what you want, and Jasper will draft options for you in seconds. In the prompt field, start by clearly stating what you need. Specificity is your friend here. For example, type, write 5 Instagram captions for a real estate post about a new luxury home listing. Make them fun and engaging. Include emojis and hashtags. This prompt works well because it sets the content type, the topic, the quantity, and the style, and it explicitly asks for emojis and hashtags, which are essential for Instagram engagement. If you're in a different niche, just swap the topic and tone while keeping the structure. Now click Send, or simply press Enter. Jasper will generate several caption ideas. Give it a moment, then scan the results. Look for captions that reflect your brand voice, highlight the key features you want to promote, and use hashtags that are relevant to your audience. If a caption is close but not perfect, note what you'd tweak. Things like length, tone, or the number of emojis are easy to refine with a quick follow-up prompt. When you see options you like, choose Use to bring them into Jasper's editor or the appropriate generator. This lets you make quick edits in one place, then click Generate Now to finalize and produce your set of captions. You'll get multiple variations you can copy directly into Instagram or save for future posts. A few quick tips as you polish. Keep the first sentence hooky to stop the scroll, place the most important detail up front, and limit hashtags to those that are truly relevant. If your audience prefers a certain tone, luxury, playful, or minimalist, say that in your prompt next time for even tighter results. That's it. Go to Home, open Ask Jasper Anything, enter a clear prompt, send it, then use and generate your results. With a little practice, you'll build a library of high-performing captions in minutes.